Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of logging into your Workana Freelancer account. Follow these simple instructions to access your account seamlessly. Step 1. Open your web browser. Start by launching the web browser of your choice, such as Google Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Step 2. Go to the Workana website. Type www.workana.com in the address bar and press Enter. This will take you to the Workana homepage. Step 3. Click on Login. Once on the homepage, locate the Login button in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Step 4. Enter your email. On the login page, you will see fields for your email and password. First, enter the email address you used when you created your Workana account. Step 5. Enter your password. Next, type in your password in the designated field. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any login issues. Step 6. Click on Login. After filling in your email and password, click the Login button to access your account. Step 7. Two-factor authentication, if applicable. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will receive a verification code via email or SMS. Enter this code in the required field, then click Verify. Step 8. Access your dashboard. Once you are logged in successfully, you will be redirected to your Workana dashboard, where you can manage your projects, proposals, and messages. Thank you for following our step-by-step guide. We hope you find it helpful for logging into your Workana Freelancer account. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more useful tips.